Can you please put your hand together for Mr. Kurz from the City of Hume?
Good evening all. Can we all hear me out there? Fantastic. How are we all doing? Enjoying ourselves? Very good, thank you. My name's Naim Kurt. I'm a councillor at Hume City Council, and I know that many of our Hmong community, many of you have come from Hume City, many of you live in our part of the world, so I welcome you here today. I've been called up to give a quick speech, so I don't have anything in particular that I've prepared, but I just wanted to state that it's an incredible honour to be here today for the Hmong Festival once again. Over the past 3 years that I've been on council, I've been invited to probably over a dozen different Hmong community events, whether it's New Year festivals, whether it's Tujalub celebrations, whether it's the Hmong Festival as it is here today. So I always thank you for the invites and the warm reception that you always give me. And I always say, whenever I go out there, I say, the Hmong community, you guys put on some of the best events out there. So thank you for everything that you do. We've heard a lot tonight about about the devastation which has happened during this bushfire season. I don't want to dwell on that devastation too much, but I think one of the really great stories which has emerged from this whole tragedy which has happened over summer is the generosity of our multicultural communities. And I know over summer I was inundated with calls from different multicultural communities who were coming to me saying, Naim, councillor, how can we help? How can we do something to help those who've been devastated, to do something for the bushfire victims, to do something for the wildlife out there? And I know the Hmong community, after the disaster was declared, I guess, over January, you were one of the first communities who came together and said, yes, we're going to be doing our Hmong Festival. Let's see what we can do to bring it forward in the calendar year. Let's see what we can do to try and raise funds for those who've been affected. And it's great to be here now in March to see the fruition of that work. So I hope all of you enjoy tonight's festival. I hope that we can raise a lot of money for those who are in need and who are suffering out there and who have lost so much during this bushfire season. I want to congratulate each and every one of you and the organisers for putting on this fantastic festival. I wish you all the best with tonight. I hope you enjoy the rest of tonight and keep doing what you're doing and making our society and our community a great place to live. Thank you.